Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 4. All are stomach compartments of ruminants except dash A. Rumen, B. Reticulum, C. Radical, and D. Omasum. We are asked to pick out of this option the one that is not the stomach, one of the stomach compartments of the ruminant animal. Now, like we know, ruminant animals are animals with 4 compartments. 4 compartments what? Stomach, that is, they have 4 stomach compartments. We call them ruminant animals. An example of these ruminant animals include, you have the goats, you have cattle, you have sheep. Now these 4 compartments, or this 4 stomach compartment, has its name. The first is the what we call the rumen. The second is what we call the reticulum. The third is what we call the omasum. And the fourth is what we call the abomasum. Now these are the stomach compartments of ruminant animals: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Now the question says we should pick out of this option the one that is not one of these compartments. And if you can see, A here says rumen, which is parts. B says reticulum, which is part. C says radical, which is not. So radical is not part. And D says omasum, which is part. So the answer to this question is C, radical, because radical is not part of the word compartment of ruminant animals. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.